Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Honda Civic 1.5 litre Sport. Now of course, as you can see, you get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and of course fog lights. You then got 4 front parking sensors and then you get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. But coming round to the rear now, you also get 4 rear parking sensors. You get the dual pipes in the bottom middle, as this is the Sport. Then you do also get your reversing camera just up there. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats that will fold flat with this level just here. Then you've also got your pull-out privacy shelf, which will marry up with this one just here, just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings inside the boot. Coming back around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting point to the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, all of which are automatic. And then we'll come inside. As you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your Econ stop start off. We've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control, and then within the touchscreen display just here, we've got your satellite navigation. We've then got your various audio sources. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free, which is just here. And of course you can control the climate control within this display as well. You do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But coming back over to the steering wheel now, as you can see, we've got your volume, onboard computer, voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free controls. The arrows here work between the infotainment system and onboard computer. Then on the right hand side we have got your adaptive cruise control settings, so you can set, reset, limit and change it to a cruise control rather than a speed limiter. You get your lane keep assist and distance control as well. Then we've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 29,387 miles. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.